Hello everyone, do you fancy coming along with me and my mother, mamastitchery, to go to the wool gathering in Buxton? Because that's where we're going today. So excited! We're going to see loads of yarn, hopefully, and I'm not entirely sure what we're going to venture into. I'm not really looking for much yarn, obviously I've got too much, but I've got a few things I'm looking for. I could do with a little bit of inspiration as well, so I'm hoping this might spark some inspiration, because I'm slowly losing a bit of my crochet, which is not good. So, I mean, especially when I need to get through some of this yarn. So, let's get to it, shall we? back home. I've got a few things to show you in a little bit. Buxton wool gathering was really good. I met a few people, really friendly people. We actually met Amora, which was great. So that was quite exciting. Let's see what we bought, shall we? So we're not going to show anything in any particular order because I'm just going to show you what I bought. So in this bag is something I bought from Debonnaire. Everything on Debonnaire was just so sparkly and just so nice and so vibrant, and this kind of drew me to, well, my eyes just fixated on this, so I thought I'd have to buy this one. What do you guys think? It's very sparkly, quite a few different colours. So this is called Sassy. You can see why. It's super shimmer 4-ply. It's got merino and it's got some nylon and silver for the glitter. So, well, what do you guys think? I think it's pretty glorious. I'm not sure what I'm going to make with this, to be honest. I just kind of want to just stare at it. Oh, so we went to atticspindye, and I'd seen these funky zebra print on a few vlogs before, and I thought, oh, and I've seen them in the flesh. So I bought. There was a gorgeous shawl that was made out of these. It was knitted, but I'm sure I can crochet something similar. And oh, it was fabulous. So I thought I'd have to buy my own to go with it. So yeah, so this is Funky Zebra. You can see why it's funky. It's very bright. Yeah, so this is merino and nylon. So glorious. And also, wow, I've seen these. Neon Peacock it's called. It's merino and nylon, 100 grams. This is also from atticspindye, but it actually glows in the dark. I thought I've got to make something with something glow in the dark because I'll be going to a music festival in October. So I thought it'd be amazing in the dark with some glorious, I'm not sure what I'm going to make, but something glorious. I can't really make much with one, I don't think, because I thought I'd make a dress or something or a top. So I bought two. I mean, those colours are amazing when they glow. So what do you guys think of those? I think they're rather fabulous. Also, I went to Rosy Moments. She got some glorious dye there, and she's absolutely lovely couple. So, and also these glows in the dark, and it's glittery. I mean, my gosh, what do you guys think? I think it's rather gorgeous myself. So this is 100%. So this is 100 grams, and the colour is lilacs. So fabulous. Went to allwoolthatendswool, and well, this obviously stared at me and wanted to come on with me. So there was something that was knitted up, and it was amazing, really. I think we've got a clip of it, and it just fallen really nice, the colours and everything. So obviously I don't knit, so I'm gonna have to find something to crochet with it. And apparently this is lights up as well. It's limited. What is wrong with me with light up clothes? But anyway, this is called Glow Sticks, and this is 75% superwash merino with nylon, and it's got this the silver with it. This is double knit rather than the 4-ply. So what do you guys think? I think it's absolutely fabulous. The colours in it are beautiful. It looks like it works up amazing. So I'm not 100% sure it's going to look like crocheted, but probably just a nice half treble maybe would bring the colours out pretty nice. So we'll see how that turns out. Also, I got some mini skeins from there as well. I mean, wow, quite sure. I thought I could make something like a flower or something to go on one of my hats with them. Definitely amazing. And I bought a couple of buttons as well, so I'm making a bag. From them, so that's what I bought from there. So I went to Dinah's Home of Crafts also, and I bought a couple of mini skeins, but I'm not quite showing you those because they're presents, so we'll keep them under wraps for now. Yes, so that's all I bought. I'm pretty happy with my purchases. Got me a comment of what you think of my purchases, because I think they're pretty nice myself. Also, drop me a comment if any of you has been to the wool gathering and what you thought, and if you made any purchases yourself or got any inspiration that you could throw this way. That'd be awesome. So that's it for today's video. I've been Fruity Threads. I hope you enjoyed my little yarn haul and my little trip round the wool gathering, because well, it's a lot better than it is on video. Obviously, I bet a few people have been, and it's just so overwhelming when you first go in. So it's very, what the hell do I buy? What do I want to see? But I got there in the end. Thank you for watching. It's very much appreciated. Please drop me a comment and a like if you enjoyed my video. It really helps my little channel grow. Also, if you know anyone that's interested in the wool gathering, you can show my little video and see if they enjoy it. It might help my little channel grow. Okay, so thank you if you've stayed to the end. It's very much appreciated. If you want to see more from me in my channel, you can subscribe. I usually try and upload something weekly. I'm also on Facebook and Instagram as Fruity Threads, so you can catch me there. I usually try and upload something daily of my fruity makes and what I get up to. So that's all for this week. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again soon. Bye.